Okay.
Wait, can I just say something real quick, at least?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Alright.
I forget your
I really don't know what to say. I just wanted to do that. I don't know.
Okay. I'm Water. This is Stella. Lexi?
I don't know what to
Shut up. Okay. Lexi?
Oh,
Lexi is somewhere. I don't know where she is.
teleport me to y'all.
Where
Oh, wait.
We don't know how to teleport. I'm new to this game, too.
I don't know how to.
Lexi,
I saw a YouTuber do it. You gotta figure it out. Because I saw a YouTuber do it, so.
Who's this waypoint?
We're on a
What's a
private.
waypoint?
We're on a private server. But okay, I'm just gonna introduce us because they're taking too long.
No, I have like this whole.
No. Hi,
panel
my name is Lexi.
I
Oh.
am
I forgot.
Water.
I'm Lexi.
I'm Water, and that is
Destiny.
who is this?
Yes, I recently changed to my real name. What's the free? It says player settings. What does that mean?
Destiny.
Wait, what if I press this button? I can give y'all VIP. What does that do?
I don't know.
I'm giving y'all VIP. Maybe y'all have the same admin commands to me. It's not admin. Well, private server
What's about
command.
the food?
I got this.
Well,
I got this.
I may have or may not have took.
Tiana.
No, you're not getting the buff bear.
No. I didn't call you your sister's name again. Get yourself
Bear
back
rat.
here.
I want the bear.
No,
I want the bear.
it's my
I
bear.
want the bear.
Come back here. That's my
No,
bear.
this bear has to die.
Why? It's my
No.
bear.
What's the bear do to you?
Bring
Everything.
up.
Are we all gonna build our separate houses, or are we all gonna build the same house?
Bring the
Same
bell
house.
back, Destiny. Oh,
No, it's a chunky bear.
what's a chunky bear? It's beautiful.
It's a chunky dinky.
We ain't paying attention to him. He's ugly.
Ooh.
Let's go. Come back here. If you don't come back here.
So
It's a chunky bear. Oh, this is where my phone.
Come back.
I'm gonna start building the house while y'all run around.
I'll trade you food.
Alright. Nope, my inventory's full.
I'll trade you a chocolate.
No.
I have chocolate in real life. I'll give you some. I'll give you a Slim Jim.
No, I already got like 5 in my
I'll
bed
give
right
you
now.
5.
What do you
No.
have? Five in your Slim Jim zero bet.
Die.
Don't you dare drop it.
I'm not. I'm gonna find a better place for it to die.
Okay, well, this is not the best intro ever, but she just took my teddy bear. So
No one likes your chunky monkey teddy bear.
okay,
The chunky monkey teddy bear is cute.
Oh,
Oh, shh.
oh!
Out, bro. I was over here saying, ho, 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 who didn't go up on the housetop, click, 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 because I was watching the show and thinking what happened.
Hey.
What?
We can't get copyrighted now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
I don't know. I was just singing that and freaking what's it called? They turned nighttime. I was so scared.
I'm up here. There we go.
Wait, I realized I could teleport still. Bye-bye.
I don't even know how to teleport.
Bro, I'm gonna bring you because I'm nice.
Oh. Listen, okay, we gotta redo our intro.
No, we don't. We
Yes.
fine.
Yes. Okay, come on, Lexi. Let's redo our intro. Hello, gaming gangs or whatever. I forgot your name, but my name is Water. This person.
My name is Lexi.
And the person over there who doesn't want to talk is Ghost. You're not Ghost.
Shut
Destiny.
It's Destiny.
Shut up.
Destiny Pooh.
If I
Don't
die,
talk to me.
if I die,
Don't make me confess something that you did.
What did I do?
You decided to.
we need to build a house.
No. Shut up.
How do
You really want to mess with me right now?
How do
I'm not in the mood.
we? How do we build a house?
Wait, what?
Oh, that's good.
Oh, I picked up wood. I already picked up the today. Oh, okay. I learned how. I watched a tutorial on my TV.
I'm watching a YouTuber do this, so I
Wait,
can figure out.
How is the wood gray?
I just watched the YouTuber do it. Alright, so you use the Z, Y, and X to control the thing, I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
My energy's running low. What does that mean?
I think that means
I
you're
think
done.
food? I don't know.
I think
No,
you need to go.
that's it. I can't keep this line no more. Alright. They're new. This is my private server. If I was new to this game, I wouldn't have a private server. I know how to play this because freaking I used my brother's account because my brother made me play games with him.
Yeah.
There you go. That's nice.
We don't listen to her.
Don't listen to her. She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Yeah,
I really don't. I'm not actually. I don't actually know how to play this game, bro. I'm just running around. Oh yeah, your teddy bear's gone.
How?
Where's Teddy Bear go? The Teddy Bear was cute.
How could you? How could you? I will chase you down. Get back here.
No! Stop.
I will tickle you until you're done. Come on.
I'm not ticklish.
You gotta act ticklish.
So quick, lock Sarah out. Lock Sarah out.
No!
I'm dying.
What?
I'm dying. Teleport me. But I teleport me. I'm getting. Okay.
Okay.
What was that?
Okay.
No.
Pancakes.
We're good.
I'm crying in my insides.
My voice is
Stop, it's creepy. Stop. It climbs.
Y'all get out of here. Oh, you're not allowed in this house.
Ooh, I found Aaron.
If you don't get your squiggly diggly into the jiggly booty in this house, I'm just gonna say random things while
Get out.
If you don't get your squiggly diggly into the jiggly booty hole, smelling butt, jiggly figgly, miggly sniggly, jiggly. What the frick happened to my TV? It made a noise.
I will bleep this all out.
Quad jiggly, himmily dibbly,
I'm the editor.
unita.
Excuse me.
Don't mind her.
I'm the editor.
Oh.
You said squiggly, biggly, jiggly, quiggly.
I said, if you don't get your squiggly diggly into the jiggly, biggly,
Can we have an
shiggly,
unnecessary bathroom?
diggly. No! We need to use our space wisely.
Ooh, there's a brown couch. We should put that in here.
A
A
what?
brown what?
Couch.
Oh.
No, don't use a brown couch. That's nasty.
I'm being AFK real quick.
What's so bad?
If you're going to go get more Slim Jims, I'm going to be mad.
Fine.
Maybe I am.
Black couch.
Ooh, that black couch is nice.
Dude, you locked me out. Okay.
What?
Don't ask why that like that. This is our little accounts. We're gonna move this.
Welcome to the family, money girl. So many girls in this one.
Okay, I'm gonna go. There's purple light. I feel like that's where I almost died at, so I'm not gonna go over there.
Okay, look, I like this couch right here. Tell Destiny to get out the way.
Destiny is not there. Remember?
Destiny, get out the way right now.
Oh my gosh, the couch is all the way out the wall. And why the heck am I auto dropping?
I had to throw it back. About.
Hey, shush!
No.
I thought this was a family friendly. Shut, move! Okay.
Y'all didn't hear it, me, okay?
Listen.
Okay.
She said if you want to learn the math,
You didn't hear this from me.
Hey,
Some little
it's
boy
going.
told me.
So this ain't gonna be really edited.
Oh my gosh! Stop it!
Once we're done, I'm gonna just post this on. I'm gonna just post this on YouTube when we're done.
There's people calling me. And I don't want to talk to them.
Oh wow! Tell them to stop.
Do you know who added me into a group chat?
What?
Isabel.
No.
Braden Posey.
Yes.
With who? With who?
Tasia.
Kevin.
Kevin, yes. And Carly. And a dude named Jeff D's Nuts.
I told you, I'm thinking big brain. That's how I knew those people invited him. What? And that's it. I cannot keep this a secret no more. I have to tell them.
Question.
Shut. If you say anything, I'm never gonna be your friend again.
What happened?
Okay.
What happened?
I have to. I'm obsessed with Slim Jims, and if I don't have a Slim Jim from one of y'all, I'm gonna kill you.
What happens if I drink this? I'm gonna drink it.
Don't drink it. Don't drink it.
Oh no.
What just happened?
I might have lost some health, but I'm okay. Yeah. Okay.
I think I'm bored.
Oh well. Okay, I'm going to go look for. Wait, there's plants. This plant. I'm so slow. I picked up a random plant and then I noticed how good it looked. See, Rachel, look at this plant.
I already got some. I stacked them over for here though.
Listen, I have no.
He's a hero.
Rachel, I called you after your sister's name. Oh my gosh.
I don't got a sister's name.
Yes, you do.
Oh, you mean that sister? The sister from school.
Yeah, the one who acts like your sister. Mommy.
Why are you asking for your mommy?
I will project. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I just realized I set a waypoint off the house.
What? Destiny. What?
I set a waypoint. Don't worry.
Destiny, you could have said that before I died. Oh.
Where's the light? I've had a light I was gonna bring in. Where is it?
The Herald's out there.
And there's something right here to cover.
He's jumping above. Oh no, he after you, Destiny. He wants you. Destiny, the Herald's jumping. It says, I'm here.
Just don't move. That crap is gonna keep jumping until one of us moves.
No, it's gonna go. It's gonna be smart. Don't forget to breathe. Okay.
Where'd it go?
Destiny.
Oh,
Destiny, don't do that ever. Lexi. Tell Destiny never to do that again.
Destiny, never do that again.
You told me. You told me to go.
Don't ask a stupid question.
Yo, I'm finna go get some go-go squeeze.
I'm your daughter. Deal with it.
No, you ain't. I don't see the adoption papers.
Where are the adoption papers at? Let me see you.
Okay, you want to see them? I can't show you. I'm in a game.
But
oh my gosh, my 100% kid. I need my charger.
Who's Payday?
What?
That's her.
I didn't say Kevin.
That's a roach name.
She said Kevin. Right?
Kevin.
What the fuck? Kid, where's your charger? Mr. Dude, where's your charger?
I am.
What's your factor?
Say it. Open it up.
I don't know. I'm not the type of person. You really gonna ask me questions?
Over there. Well, all the questions are over there. Look over there.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
You're too loud.
Shy.
I'm stupid as crap.
What? Why?
I might leave for a second. Don't ask. You don't ask questions. You better shut your
Did
mouth.
they call you?
No, this is another person who's calling me.
Y'all could be talking, but I'm not gonna talk.
I'm finna go get some go-go squeeze. Don't ask why you still drink that. It's good. I know you still do drink go-go squeeze too, Destiny.
I'm confused.
How are you confused?
Y'all are gonna be quiet forever.
I'm gonna get some go-go squeeze. I don't care.
I gotta think of my other.
It's been longer than 10 minutes.
Am I stupid?
How are you stupid?
I just texted someone.
I got some go-go squeeze. Yeah.
I texted the person challenge is gonna leak to everyone.
Who is Kiana? Her sister?
Oh yeah, her sister. Yeah, her sister.
I don't like her sister.
Yeah, she almost leaked something really, really juicy.
Oh, dang.
Isn't that right?
She hates you too.
ABC.
Matter of fact, she hopes you get punched in the face by one of your secret admirers.
Shush.
My secret admirer?
Uh-huh.
I don't got one.
Shush.
Which is her.
Shush.
Can,
You also said you want me to start, then I'll just stop talking. And leave.
we know that, right? Destiny.
Yes. And now I'm gonna stop talking because she said shut.
I didn't say so. What are you talking about?
I said Sarah said
No,
shut.
because
Who's Sarah?
No, y'all talking about. That was my sister, but she said shush because y'all talk about juicy information. It's a kids family friendly family channel.
Oh yeah, I forgot
I didn't realize it was Sarah. Sarah's one of my friends from school.
Can y'all
Yeah,
teleport me to you? Why am I calling you your sister's name? I hate your sister, but anyways, Miss. Wait a second. I gotta think. I'm grabbing Deto's. I'm grabbing some details. Wait a second. I gotta think of her name first. It's in my brain. It's stuck in my brain. Sasuke? What?
Destiny.
Destiny?
Destiny.
Destiny. Hey, Destiny. Wait, I gotta do something. Destiny.
Okay. I'm just making sure you weren't mad or so. Because you're not talking.
I felt the world. Can't give me back permissions. I lost my VIP bestie. You're mean. See, why am I calling you your sister's name too?
You're friends with my sister.
Water.
Oh.
Can you give me VIP back? She won't give
I'm
it
new to
back.
this game.
What?
I'm new to this game. Listen,
Stop! No, that's Kiana.
right now, this
Stop!
game,
This is meant to be there.
this
This is meant
thing
to
is
be
trying.
there.
I'm not trying to be rude. We have to spice things up, though.
How?
We just have to spice them up.
Like how my tongue is right now after eating 10 Slim Jims.
Where'd you get Slim Jims at?
She said, "Yeah,
It's happening.
Oh.
this house is so good. You're a good builder, Lexi and
No.
Who moved my couch? Why is that? What episode are you on?
What do you mean?
On the show you're watching?
Let's see. I'm on episode Witchery.
Oh, I didn't finish that one. I finished it twice, but I'm just watching it again. So wait, I gotta check what episode.
We just watched the shows we watched when we were younger, right?
I was just watching it. I'm watching it, and I don't remember my motives. So I'm just watching. Yeah.
Piper told me it was a good. Piper told me it was a good show, so I just got.
Who's Piper again?
It is a good show.
Who's
I know. No.
You need to catch up.
I'm still confused who Liv is and freaking Maddie is.
Maddie is the one that likes to play. Okay, wait. Liv is the one who loves to talk about beauty and pageants and stuff like that. Maddie's like more of like a sports girl.
Wait, so you're telling me Liv is the girl that was the diva lady?
I swear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now give me my VIP back since I told you that.
If I die, I will chase one of y'all down with the lamp.
What is this?
Weirdo.
Can you get me?
I don't think I should.
Why did you do that?
What? I didn't do nothing. Get it out of our house.
You just.
Okay, there we go. I'm here.
Kiana, can you give me?
Wait, do they? No, no, I'm not finna die. Do they attack us in the morning? What the? There's one in the house.
We know.
Give me
Now
up.
can you give me VIP back, Sarah?
Give me up.
Okay, I gave you VIP. But what do you mean? What do you mean by spice things up, Sarah?
Like make it more funnier, so.
Huh? What the freak? Why was it on the roof? How?
Who is Sarah, Lexi? Who is Sarah?
What?
Your sister.
What the? They're seriously spawning out of nowhere. I'm so lost in this game. I swear, I am so lost.
Oh, so that's what's happening. I know what's happening.
What?
If you don't stop,
Who?
Destiny, stop. I'm not kidding.
I didn't do nothing.
Destiny's like,
Bro, I didn't even touch nothing. I'm not even using my phone right now. I'm not even on my phone, period.
What?
take that life we're getting out.
Heck?
Bro, I'm not even on my phone. Now I'm back on my phone.
Oh, buddy. Hi.
Oh yeah, you have 5 Slim Jims in your bed with you. I forgot.
Yeah.
It's weird to have 5 Slim Jims in the bed with you anyways.
I bought something good.
Here, that's probably just the mouth.
Lexi.
Can we tell us for
Yay,
another
Bring it back. Put it on the couch.
Wait, let's play Truth or Dare while we wait. While we
Put it on the couch. Put it on the couch. Yay! Now that mean lady's not gonna get it anymore. You're not getting it anymore. You're gonna not touch it, okay?
Okay. Swing, swing, back on a riot. Swing, swing. When I say teleport me, y'all better teleport me.
I don't know
Destiny.
how to teleport.
Destiny,
Well,
Truth or
y'all
Dare.
better. Dare. True.
Is it true you have a crush on you have an ex? Is it true you have an ex?
They're just playing that while they're bored. This is meant to be a
Honestly, I hate you, Rachel. So I mean, not Rachel. Oh my gosh, y'all.
Why can't we stop calling each other's sister's name?
This is meant to be
We
a
ain't call.
family.
Okay, I'm not calling you your sister name. Freaking, you're reminding me of my friend from school. Dang, you sound exactly like her.
Weird. Very, very weird.
I got 20 waypoints. The heck?
You know,
Anyways, back to the
Lexi.
question.
Lexi,
Yes,
when
I
I say
do.
teleport me, you better teleport me also.
Okay, why is y'all leaving this stuff on me?
Are you too, Destiny?
Okay.
When I say teleport me, you better teleport. I thought I broke my thing again, but I didn't. It was a broken fork.
Teddy bear, teddy bear.
Lexi, shush. Okay.
Teddy bear, you are my teddy bear. My only teddy bear.
Now what are you gonna do it to me?
What?
Destiny, shush!
Okay. So,
You see how it feels to be interrupted? Hey.
Dang, I don't like you either then.
No! Stupid, water interrupted me when I was doing my singing, and guess what? And she won't tell me.
What?
She won't tell me, shush, you sing. Oh, you're not fair.
You're all on your own now, baby. It's a yes or a no, no maybe.
Hey.
Just be true before you give it all to me.
copyright.
What?
Copyrighted.
It's stuck in my head. Okay, I'm sorry, bro.
Yo, you got something stuck in my head video time, so I have to use the back. I'll be back.
I gotta get that song out of my head.
What is that?
What?
What the frick is this? What the?
Oh my gosh, what the heck? It has eyes.
What?
Where?
Look closely.
I'm coming.
It doesn't.
Hold it there, Destiny. Make sure it doesn't escape. I'm coming.
Alright, what the freak is this?
Who took that shelf out of here again? Who took that shelf out of here again?
I don't know. What the freak?
What the?
Get them out.
No, I'm leaving.
No. I don't even know who did it. I was in here making the kitchen. Who did this for real? This is just creepy.
Like, what's it called? I was freaking sitting on the couch. I wasn't sitting on the couch. I was just sitting on the couch being bored.
I was over here doing the kitchen.
If y'all don't confess, I'm gonna make my own house.
What?
I swear on my life I didn't do it.
Don't swear on your life. This is a kid-friendly channel.
It's not cute and it's not friendly.
Yes, it is.
That was cute and friendly to you? No. Forget us.
I got a question. Why do I have I could eat a burger car.
A burger car?
Yeah.
You can't even get those in the game.
You just died.
You can't get a burger car in the game.
Freaking, I learned how to spawn stuff. Because it's like a big button that says spawn menu. And I'm legally blind, but I still see that.
Legally? You're legally blind?
Okay, yeah, I'm not really blind, but I'm legally blind. What the frick? Are you trying to feed these shadowy figures?
No. What the heck?
What the fuck?
Hey.
I said what the fudge. I said what the fudge. Totally.
You trying to mess up our YouTube channel already?
Shut
This is
up.
our beautiful kitchen.
No one really watches
have a beautiful day.
Shut up. No one even watches our videos anyways.
You sure about that?
Who? Some weird stalkers?
Yes, probably.
Ew, nasty, crusty.
And probably another person that we should not talk about ever.
Wait, remember that old man we accidentally called? Truth or dare? On my lap. There's something on my tongue. Truth or dare? Water.
True.
I can collect these in my inventory. What's an inventory?
I don't know. Alright, what's it called? Let's see. Truth or dare? Water.
Truth.
Is it true that you
What?
is it true that you had a crush
Maybe.
on these shadowy figures?
No.
I did you wrong.
I did you up.
Bro,
Yo, no,
they're
I'm finna
circling me.
help me. I'm finna die for real.
That's your
Sarah,
fault. You said you gonna build your own house.
I know. I don't have food.
Bruh, you sure you're gonna take our food so you could build your own house?
I only took 3 pieces of food.
Go find some food, you lazy booty hole.
No, I'm making a house for those blocks, and I guess y'all want them to stay in here.
You're making a house for what?
The blocks and the big, big special thing that I'm gonna show you. But
I'm really scared to see what it is.
it kicked me out.
Are we all building our own houses now?
No. You could build your own house if you want. But this is my house.
No.
If you make it. Sing it loud. No, stuck my head on. Let's see.
I guess we all will make our own houses. Cam, this is your house.
I'm going over
Alright.
here.
I take custody of this house, I guess.
We're gonna see which house can protect us better.
Y'all want to make your own house.
And when
Whichever house protects us better, we stay in.
when our house is not like really done, then we have to go in the person's house that looks done. Which maybe on Destiny's.
I'm sending a spawn point at Destiny's house right now.
I take custody of this house, Roach.
What just call me?
Called
Take
you.
custody. It's not done.
I know, but I'm still taking custody of it.
That's how
I hate when freaking, what's her name? Maddie keeps saying, bam, what? I don't know, it's annoying to me.
I was gonna say that's Liv, but yeah, that's Maddie.
Liv is the stuck up snob that says, sing it loud, is my show.
It is.
I know.
Then what?
And it's annoying when she says, sing it loud, every 5 seconds.
It's not every 5 seconds, it's almost like every 40 seconds.
So technically this is my house right now.
Sing it loud.
Destiny and Lexi, they're building another house while talking about their show. I don't know what show they're talking about. Maybe I do, maybe I don't.
You ain't even talking about the show.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, so
Anyways, let's talk about a show.
I'm not even done with my house. Hey, Destiny. Can you
What?
teleport me?
No, you're not coming to my house.
We all said that whoever has the most finished house, we have to go there.
Fine, Rachel, come to my,
Stop calling her out your
Freaking
sister.
Lexi,
My house
come
is
to my
almost
house.
done.
Oh, you can go to her house then.
I don't know how to teleport. Oh,
Oh, you really need to learn.
all I know is how to set spawn points. I swear, this video is going to be an hour.
Back up.
What the?
Shut up and get out.
should post this video anymore.
We are. Oh, well.
Y'all are going crazy. And y'all think, I bet y'all think about rats.
Take 7-foot rats.
Sing like, you sung like 30 songs because it's copyrighted.
Okay. Shut.
La 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 la
la. You're not taking the teddy bear, knucklehead. Don't try taking custody of my beautiful baby.
You should do what I did. Before I left, I took all my stuff.
You're trying to take custody of the bear too. Okay, fine. Then I'll just take custody of this ugly ass shit. I need this beautiful work of art.
Destiny, say that one more time. You are being banned from the thing for a day.
That's why I found 2 of those teddy bears when y'all were gone.
There's black men in that house, bro.
I don't know. Don't take my 2 teddy bears.
It's fun.
They're so cute. This is a room with all my creepy dolls. Who dropped it, boy? That'll mess me up. Shut up.
This is copyrighted, bro. We're not gonna post this, okay? We're not just gonna post this.
Yeah.
We're gonna get copyrighted. You heard how many things you say?
Shut up and deal with it.
And you even try to talk about people's personal lives.
You know what? I blackmail people. That is me. I am rude. That is me. That's how I am. That's how I was made. Got a problem with it? Deal with it.
No one's coming to my house because my house is now done.
It calls me.
Wait, hold up. I just realized something. Stop sticking. I'm gonna get copyrighted.
That's
Hold on. I know. But if I sing one of my songs, will we still get copyrighted?
Unless it has not been.
Why should we care if we get copyrighted? No one watches our videos.
Oh yeah, true.
Rats when you rat
your rats. We'll watch one day. We just magically wake up popular.
We're weird. Why would we wake up? Why would we wake up popular?
Cause baby, you look happier. You too. I know one day you fall for someone new.
Sorry for the movement.
Really while it's nighttime.
No one's coming to my house because I'm locking the door.
You have a door?
Yeah.
Who said you know how to make a door?
Show the door you made.
Mr. Chubby.
I want to go destroy that house right now.
Bro, if you destroy it, I'm not talking to you no more.
You didn't build it. Me and Sarah built it.
Who
Yeah,
is
because I'm trying to find some crap and eat Slim Jims. So you said you had a big
Sarah,
house.
honestly, I don't know who it is. The name just popped in my mind.
I'm leaving. Deal?
Is Destiny there?
This is what always happens.
What happened?
What?
Someone gets mad and they leave.
I'm sorry for all the movements. I'm moving things. And the light, and in the night, in the night, and the seas. It called me. I can't even. Yo! Ow! Frank! No, a shelf in front of me and I hit my hand. See the bow and the bow. Sorry, bow.
Facts.
Huh?